Using the Wells Fargo Autograph Card in 2024 is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you on how to utilize this card effectively. The Wells Fargo Autograph Card provides various benefits, including reward points that can be redeemed for various purposes. You can earn up to 3 times the points when using the card at restaurants, for transit, travel, popular streaming services, gas, or phone plans. For all other purchases, you'll receive 1 point per transaction. Additionally, for the first 12 months, you'll enjoy a low APR, and there's no annual fee. Essentially, the autograph card functions like a normal Visa card, allowing you to make purchases online, such as Amazon, or in physical stores by swiping the card. It's a convenient and versatile tool for managing your expenses. I hope you find this guide helpful in maximizing the benefits of your Wells Fargo Autograph Card.